Van, you can sit in the front if you want to.
Okay.
What the heck? Oh shit. I don't know. Come here, look.
Remember when they doubted me, it was you who said you proud of me. The star that I was born to be was like you had the master key. My heart was always fiending for the girl who had me dreaming. Not the stress, but just the meaning. And for you, I drown my demons. Man, those bus rides to the city had me thinking, am I on the right route? Is it fame that I'm sinking? Mama's life that needs some cleaning, or the pain that keep on screaming? I just want some healing. You know them layers I heard be peeling. This lifestyle is appealing to them girls who have no feeling. While you watch with who you dealing, they all capable of stealing. See how Satan get to reeling.
Like I always say,
Stay for us.
no, I don't.
You always say more gang or no gang.
We out this thing. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Monique, back with another video. If you guys are wondering, actually before I get into what's going on today, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep this thing going. If you guys are wondering why my hair is like this, tell them why my hair is like this, or why Michael's hair is like that. Put your head down. Oh, you guys, meet Vanny. This is Vanny. She's one of my really good friends from Seattle. So, come here.
Makeup on?
A little bit, yeah.
What are you trying to look good for?
Nobody.
You're different.
You're weird.
You're different.
Why you guys get your hair done?
Your hair looks good though.
Thank you. But no, why is it up like this?
Why does it what?
Why is my hair up like this?
Because we're about to go.
We are about to be sumo wrestlers for
It's
today.
about to be crazy. Let's go.
That wasn't the end of it. You wanted that to be the end of it.
I'm letting him know. Let's go. I'm not playing. When I take out the glass, just look at.
You don't take out the glasses. You take
Off the glasses. I said off. If you don't cut this off, I'm going to be mad.
No, now it's if you don't cut this out.
I said if you don't cut this out.
No, you said it. You said if you don't cut this. Okay. So anyway,
Oh my goodness.
we're about to go down to the park. As soon as Brooklyn comes back with the car, we're going down to the park and we're meeting up with his brother, Basil Live, and
Yeah, Sirski.
who else?
We're meeting up with just
Hold on, let me give you guys a
find
better.
out.
I gotta give you guys a good man bun or sumo wrestler bun. How do they wear their hair though?
I don't know.
Sorry if I showed my tracks, guys. Whoa.
Got it?
And they do wear this little thing in the back.
I'm always waiting.
Okay. There we go. Whoa. I like a sumo wrestler, right?
Yeah, you look like you're about to.
You look like a sumo wrestler too. Oh wait, you don't have the suit on. I'm tripping.
What?
All right, we are on our way down to the park. What? Bye. So, are you ready, Vanny?
I'm ready. Let's do
Maybe
it.
you should be the, what's it called?
Maybe.
The
The referee?
the referee.
Yes, I will.
Open the door. I'm driving. Huh?
I'm driving.
Why?
I'm driving.
Oh my god. You guys, I know how to drive.
What do you want me to say?
Van, you can sit in the front if you want to.
Okay.
What the heck? Oh shit. I don't know. Come here, look. Oh shoot.
What happened? What the fuck? What happened?
I don't know. Did you do that?
No, what the? Wait, I was in the house the whole time. What the freak happened?
Kidding me? Did somebody hit my car?
Oh,
Maybe the neighbors hit the car.
goodness, you just got the car.
I know, but did you drive the car?
No, I didn't drive the car. The last person was Brooke.
Call her. Get in the car. Get in the car. Let's call her.
Let me call her first. 1 second.
I know, get in the car first, because we still gotta go meet these guys. What the heck? I swear, it's always something. Michael, are you sure you didn't do that?
No, why would I do that?
I'm not saying you did it, but did the car get hit or something when you had the car?
No. I always drive the car. You know, come on now.
I'm not saying you always. I'm just saying, did something happen that you're not aware of?
It's 0% in gas.
Okay, she drove the. If she drove it last, can you call her real quick?
Let me just go downstairs and get service first.
It's like things just can't be regular. Something always
You
has
just
to
tap that
happen.
light first.
I'm about to look at the neighbor's car to see if they hit my car. Because if they hit the car, they should have some sort of damage on their car, right?
Yeah. Unless they just...
I literally
That
just
just
got
doesn't
this
make
car.
sense though.
No, nobody's driving this car anymore. If Brooklyn...
Please put your seatbelt on. And that's why I always tell you to watch who drives your car. I always tell you that.
Oh my God, man. Ouch. Can you hurry up and get to the bottom so we can call Brooklyn?
I'm trying.
You're making me spill everything.
Thank you.
I'm gonna call Brooklyn.
Why?
Because I had to ask her about the car. Brooklyn.
Oh,
So is there something you need to tell me?
no.
What happened to the car?
Huh?
What happened to the car?
What are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about.
I don't.
The car scratched up, dented on the side, Brooklyn. And I asked Michael, he said he didn't do it. Unless he's lying.
Michael's lying.
Wait, what? Why the hell would I be lying? Why would I be lying though?
But you had the car last. I didn't see it.
That doesn't make sense.
I didn't see it.
You didn't
had
see
the
it.
car last though.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
You did have the car last.
Brooklyn, you had the car last.
Mom, no, I didn't.
Okay, so who drove the car last?
No, I honestly don't know.
Okay, so no, nobody, just a stranger came in. Okay, all right. I'm going to,
Yes, a stranger came.
okay, I'm gonna check the cameras and see if the neighbor did it. I'm gonna check the neighbor's car. I'm gonna see if there's any cameras first of all. And then I'm going to see if somebody hit it. But don't lie to me, Brooklyn. Because if there's an accident I need to know about or I need to report, you need to tell me. Because my insurance is gonna call me.
I didn't do it.
Bye, Brooklyn. Okay. All right.
Why?
Bye. Love you.
Thank you.
So she didn't do it.
I'm telling you, she was the last one that drove it.
Okay, so
That's why I tell you every time to make sure who drives your car. Or
I never.
someone drive with them, you know?
I don't
Either
get-
you or I.
I don't-
Why would I get in an accident and not tell you?
Not say get in an accident, but I don't know. I'd never get in on that side of the car, so I don't know what happened. Deshae might have hit me or parked on that side. I'm gonna ask him.
That's crazy.
Let me ask Deshae, matter of fact. Shays, did you might accidentally hit my car? Did you hit my car trying to park or something?
Hello?
Okay, because there's a big dent in the side of my car, and you didn't do it. If you did, you could tell me the truth, Deshae.
I did it.
All
I
right.
don't know who did that.
Okay. Well, Brooklyn's the last one that had my car, but she says she didn't do it or she doesn't know what happened. So, all right. Love you. I'll talk to you later.
Alright.
Okay, bye.
Alright, let's see.
Okay, so he didn't do it either. I'm gonna look at his car too just to make sure. This is so annoying. I'm gonna go to I'm gonna take the car to the what do you call it?
The auto body?
The auto body, and I'm gonna find out exactly what happened because they'll know if it was an accident, if somebody got hit, if someone hit the side of it, or whatever. If someone was parking in and they hit it, then I know it was Deshae or somebody. I'm just tired of everybody.
I know one, by the way, but yeah, that's just ridiculous, man. You're trying to blame me here.
I'm not blaming you, but I'm
Yes,
just saying.
you are. You said that. You even question me?
Of course, I'm gonna question you. I'm questioning everybody.
But you knew I wasn't the last one to drive it, though.
I know, but it's on this side. The people that drive it don't know. If I'm driving the car, how am I ever gonna know something happens on that side unless I go to that side?
Okay.
Does that make sense, though? Am I making sense?
Yeah, it's sure.
No, tell the truth. Be honest.
Yeah, you're making sense.
If something happened on your, unless it's the window or something, but if you got like a dent on your side of the car, you're not gonna know unless you actually go to that side of the car.
Right.
So I don't know. Between Brooklyn had the car last. I don't know, man. I didn't see it.
You sounded nervous.
She sounded. It's hard to tell with her because she be lying sometimes. Man, I'm about to pull up to this park. This shit is so annoying, man, I swear. Alright, we just got to the park. I can't help but to keep looking at this. This looks crazy, you guys. Look at that. Like, what the... Michael, look at this.
What?
Look at this. You sure you didn't do this?
Why do you keep
I'm
questioning
sorry.
me, though?
I gotta see your
That
face.
doesn't make sense,
I'm
though.
sorry.
Why would you question me if I did
I'm questioning
that?
everybody.
I would tell you, though.
Cause I could tell if you're fake, like.
You know,
oh
I
my
would
God.
tell you that. I would
yeah, you
take
would.
the full responsibility.
You would. You would. All right, let's go beat these guys. And oh my God, I'm so annoyed.
Well, your panties are showing.
I don't care. My car is dented too,
I'm just being honest. Your panties are
and my
showing.
car is
Are
dented.
you wearing red panties?
I don't know. Am I? Here, let me just. How are you laughing? And my car is dented.
I understand your car is dented, but I let you know that it was, I think it's Brooklyn.
All right. Well, innocent until proven guilty. If she's lying, I'm gonna be highly disappointed. Because, anyways. Hi guys.
Hey, what's up?
So we just pulled up.
Hey, what's up?
We are with Jeremiah.
Hi, Monique.
Hi. And this is Vince. We're so live. What's your name again? Nikia.
Nikia, what's up?
How you doing? Okay, so we are about to oh no. We're gonna do sumo wrestling. We came to win, okay? Just to let you know. We're not we don't have we have
too hard, it comes off. For real?
Yeah. Oh shoot. This guy has you got boobs on yours? You got boobs,
Hey,
you got boobs on yours?
Let me switch.
No.
Now you got boobs on yours.
You got boobs on yours. We don't.
Stop embarrassing
We don't.
Yeah.
Stop embarrassing him.
Yeah, he
That's
got that
not
on purpose.
You got that one on purpose?
I get on purpose.
So anyway, we came to win. We came, huh? Yeah.
good referee.
Oh,
You two be good now.
So we came to win, huh? I know. We came to win. We came to win.
We came to not just win, we came to take the crown.
Yeah, we don't lose. We,
don't
do not lose.
And no, we're the best duel
And we
in
don't
LA.
lie if someone dented our car and asked a question. We don't
Wait,
lie.
what?
So, anyways, don't do this. Stop. Don't do that.
Are you guys ready to win?
I am ready. We're putting on our suits right now.
What's your guys' game plan?
What's my game plan?
Yeah. Okay.
You just watch.
I'll just watch.
That's it. Just watch. When I take off these glasses, just know it gets real.
Oh my God, you're taking your glasses off?
Yeah.
Then you can't see.
I can see.
No, you can't.
I have
Look at you.
my contacts.
back?
Yeah.
No, not my bad. That's you.
That's why you hit the dent of the car. Did you ever go?
Wait, it's coming out.
I'm sorry. I don't know who did it. I just need to figure out who did it.
Okay, you know what?
Where's the bucket at?
All
I got you right now, though. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Yo.
It looks like somebody's like.
I think you need more.
Knock him out. He know what time it is.
What?
He's a damn baby. That's what he is.
You sleep, bro.
You know.
I'm gonna fix this.
Yeah,
You
look what he doing. He fixing it for me.
Yeah,
Exactly.
because I'm
the
he trying to
ball.
get out of it. He
I
trying to
just
get out
sit
of it.
back, you know.
Mo
You
done
feel
broke
me?
this
It's
zipper
what
thing
it's
so they
what
can
I
get out
didn't
the
break
back.
it.
That's what I do.
I didn't break it.
Yeah, you did. Who did?
It's one of our strategies.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're gonna take the L.
Hey, Uncle Mother didn't win. Yeah, I'm coming after you. Yes. You didn't believe in me. You didn't believe in us. Right. That sounds good. I'm ready. Come on, Mo.
You're gonna lose.
Switch, right? Where's the other one?
We can.
You ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
We gotta beat them.
No,
We
they're
do
they're
not
lightweight.
lose. They are lightweight.
Lightweight. Let's go. Let's do this. That's all right. You can feel everything. Let me see. Yours not blown. Why is it not? I don't know. Let me see. Try to go against me now. What? You're gonna feel it.
Yeah, I don't want
You can't back
Okay, so
down.
what are we gonna do? What's our
Game
strategy?
plan. Alright, so
I can take
I know what Vince.
We gotta stay up close so you can hear what we're saying.
Yeah, so I know what Vince is gonna do. Vince is gonna try to take me down. So when you see him trying to take me down, you come behind and just try to hit him. And when I see the other girl, I'm gonna just kind of knock her out.
You
get
can't
what I'm
knock her out. I have to. She's a girl. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tell her her lace front's messed up. And
I'm
she
just
gonna
like her.
go fix it. And
Yeah.
I'm gonna bump her out.
saying? Yes, let's do that.
Okay.
Good.
Yes.
And I'll tell Vincent something's wrong with his
No,
glasses.
tell him his do-rag, the velvet's missing and part of his do-rag.
Alright, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do this.
Untie his do-rag.
Yeah,
Just when he's not looking, just untie it.
yeah.
And then his do-rag will
That's
fall
gonna
over his
fall
eyes.
face, yeah. And then knock him
push
out.
him out the circle.
Let's do this.
Let's go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's do this. Let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
2-on-2. You feel me?
Yes, sir.
You got to stay in the circle. Whoever gets out, their team loses $100, and we're not playing. Where your money at? It don't matter. Y'all cash apps. You feel me? Cash apps, Venmo, all that kind of sales. You know what I mean? We take all. You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna be
But look,
taking that, so we're not worried about it.
No, you're not
We need the
gonna-
cash
we don't need
anyways. We need
Absolutely nothing.
look.
We
So
need to
That's
go
why we
fix
didn't
that.
come with
that's the
nothing.
challenge. It's 2-on-2.
That's why we didn't come with
Me and
nothing.
Nakia versus these two clowns. We about to smoke them. It's over. It's a wrap for y'all. Come on.
You better
have
win
to
that money so
Hey,
we can
money,
fix
baby.
the dent in the
All
car.
hundreds, baby. We got hey.
You ready?
You know
Alright.
what cash that, baby?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, ski.
You can cut it. You know I've been waiting
Come
for
here.
It's like the NBA. 7 rounds, baby.
7 rounds?
7
Why
rounds.
NBA finals?
NBA finals.
Why
three
7
rounds?
rounds?
You
Three
said,
rounds.
how much you want?
3.
3 rounds.
We don't need 7 rounds to
I want more
prove
money.
to beat you guys.
I
We
want
just
more
need
money.
3 rounds. That's
a
all.
round. Yo, 100 a round, baby.
Oh my God. I'm
Yeah,
scared.
let's go.
Well, just do 200 a round and we could do 3 rounds.
You scared?
I'm not scared.
You sound.
I'm not scared.
Scared? You're not scared. I'm here. That's why.
I'm not scared.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Ready? You scared?
Look what the fish can do.
Don't be scared. I got you, babe. That's why I'm here. I'm gonna protect you. You get behind me. I'll just go like this.
Yeah, but she won't like this.
She did?
Yes.
Y'all get nervous, baby.
No, we're not nervous. The heck?
Oh my goodness, this is about to be crazy. What's going on?
You ready? So look, okay, look. Oh, look. Okay, 3 rounds, right?
Okay.
3 rounds, right?
3 rounds.
3 rounds. Okay, cool.
3 rounds. Watch out, Jeremiah.
Hold on, wait. You got to say, March it go. Hey, baby G.
Wait, hold on.
Wait, hold on.
Ready? Yeah, Heavenly Father.
All right, let's go.
We don't lose and we don't get knocked the hell out. You're with us and just protect us, okay?
In Jesus' name.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen. Let's do this. Huh?
You can take this glasses off.
Thank you.
Let's go. Alrighty. I'm
I
Mark.
need to see.
Hold up. Go ahead, say it.
I'm Mark. You set. Go. Danger. You go hard. Oh my God. This is crazy. Oh yeah. Let's go. No.
One. First one over.
Peter.
We won. We got out. What? That was the first round.
You cheated.
What happened? We won. If you get out, you stop.
I thought I was just wrestling her. I didn't know where I thought
Hey.
you and he pushed me.
Hey, cash out me that money though. Oh, that's the first one.
It's on record.
I didn't know it was that intense.
Yeah. Game plan is
Okay.
See how he hit you?
I'm out of started.
See, I told you that's how you play.
I thought it was you.
No. I told you these girls, it's not fair. We can't play fair. We have to.
Why did he push me out?
That's how we play is. Whoever
So
gets
he's supposed to push me out too?
Yes.
That's not fair.
It's not fair, but that's the whole point of the game. It's not playing fair. Do you want to lose that money? We need the money for the car.
Yes.
Let's do this.
Oh my God.
Come on, let's play rough. So you gotta play rough.
Yeah, can you put it on my phone? The pink phone.
Yeah.
For sure out first.
Right.
Or should we not go first?
No, because Vince is gonna come behind us.
I'm gonna do this.
I know. Don't worry.
Okay, let's both push him out of his
Yeah.
phone. Both of us go.
When you see him trying to come for me,
Let's just both go for him early.
okay. So
No.
Hard.
No, we don't.
Oh, y'all don't want it?
No.
Hey, all right. You let us know. Let's do this.
Oh,
Watch out, Jim. Let's go. Stay behind me.
I'm fast, so you can't catch me.
Where you gonna go? You gotta say.
Hey, Mark, set,
Hey, get me. Get out of here, boy. It's a wrap.
I was happy. And then he grabbed me and pulled me.
Yeah.
Oh my
Mike.
I tripped. I slipped. You like
Soon
that?
you tripped, it was over.
Nigga sweat.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Last round, baby. Hey, look.
Can I record now?
That's $200, baby. Cash App, Venmo, Zales, I take all that, baby.
Can I?
Actually, we're gonna pull up to the bank after this. Make it real easy for us. Hey, baby. Where you gonna record after this last round?
I know, but you gotta watch out for her.
Yes, last
Okay, I'm
round.
about to run full speed.
The last round.
Okay.
Last round. Last round.
Hey, Mark, you set?
Wait.
Yeah.
Almost caught a cramp.
Yeah.
Are you ready? You good?
Yes.
All right, so go ahead and say it.
Hey, Mark, you set? Go!
Yo. Come on, Mo. Yo.
Come on, baby, I got you.
Come
Come on.
I'm not good at
I got you.
zero.
It's okay. I got you. okay? It's okay.
I try to come back in and shoot.
It's okay.
Let's go.
You did your best.
Did y'all moves? It's over. 3-0.
Okay.
$300. Well, you said 200 each for each round.
One more round?
No.
One more round?
You want to go one more round?
You got one more round?
One more round.
One more
Triple or
round.
nothing.
All right, let's go.
Nothing.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Last round.
Where's your glasses?
I took them off.
All right, look. If y'all win this, y'all win. Y'all win everything back plus more. Let's do this.
You ready?
Listen. Now can I record? Now can I record? Now can I record?
I know, but
Right up there.
I touched her boob when I was trying to push her.
Actually, start recording.
Big boob.
Let's get into this, all right?
Okay.
let's do it.
Over here. Get back, get out.
You can come here. You gotta get close. Yeah. Do it. Come on, Jeremiah, call it.
Start recording?
Yeah, and go.
Get him.
Alrighty, let's do this.
go.
Like Mari, get set, go, go, go.
Oh, shit.
What they gonna do?
Oh, yeah, she's out. Let's go.
Yes!
Now! Let's go!
That's how you
Let's
win.
go! Let's go!
Go.
Let's go! Come on! That's what we do! Come on! It's lightweight.
Cut the camera. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Like I always say. Matter of fact, you say it. What? What gang or no gang? What gang or no gang? Y'all cheating.
Oh,
Mo gang or no gang?
listen.
No, that's we. We gotta say it.
Y'all cheated.
We gotta say it. Look. What is it?
Mo gang.
Oh, no gang!